If you've ever tried to find a working Caesars Sportsbook promo code, then you already know how frustrating it can be. You search online, click a few websites, and suddenly you're stuck with expired codes, fake offers, or deals that don't even work in your location. It feels like a complete waste of time, and after a while, it almost seems like none of these codes actually work. But the truth is, they do exist, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to find real, working Caesars Sportsbook promo codes in 2026, without guessing, without falling for scams, and without missing out on the best offers. And make sure you stay till the end, because there's a simple trick most people don't know that can actually get you better bonuses than promo codes themselves. First, let's quickly understand what Caesars Sportsbook promo codes actually are and why they exist in the first place. These are promotional offers designed to attract new users and keep existing users engaged on the platform. When you use a valid promo code or offer, you can receive bonuses like deposit matches, risk-free bets, free bet credits, odds boosts, or even cashback if your bet doesn't win. On the surface, it looks like free value, and in many cases it is. But what most people don't realise is that each of these offers comes with specific conditions attached to them. This is where a lot of confusion starts. For example, a deposit match might require you to wager a certain amount before you can withdraw any winnings. A risk-free bet might refund you in site credits instead of real cash. Free bets might only return the profit, not the original stake. These details matter a lot, and if you don't understand them, you might think you're getting a great deal, when in reality, you're not using it in the most effective way. That's why finding a working promo code is only half the game. The other half is knowing how that offer actually works. Now, the first and most reliable place you should always check is the official Caesars Sportsbook website or app. A lot of people skip this step because they assume they need a special code, but that's not always true. In fact, many of the best offers don't require you to enter anything manually. They're automatically applied when you sign up through the official page. This is important because it eliminates the risk of using an invalid or expired code. When you go directly to the source, you know the offer is real, up to date, and tailored to your region. When you're on the site, take your time to explore the promotion section. This is where Caesars lists all their current deals, including welcome bonuses and ongoing promotions. These offers can change depending on timing, location, and even major sporting events, so it's always worth checking regularly. One thing you'll notice is that sometimes the offers look similar but have small differences in the terms. Paying attention to those details can help you choose the one that gives you the most value. If you want to go beyond the official site, the next step is to look at trusted partner websites. These platforms often have direct relationships with Caesars, which means they can offer exclusive deals that aren't available to the general public. In some cases, you might find higher deposit matches, additional free bets, or special bonuses tied to specific events. This is where you can really maximize your value, but you have to approach it carefully. The internet is full of websites that claim to have the best promo codes, but not all of them are legitimate. Some of them simply recycle old codes or create misleading offers just to get clicks. So how do you tell the difference? A reliable site will clearly explain the promotion, including the terms and conditions. It will guide you through a proper sign-up process instead of just throwing a random code at you. And most importantly, it will link you directly to the Caesars platform in a secure and transparent way. If a site looks cluttered, makes unrealistic promises, or tries to rush you into clicking something, it's better to avoid it. Another powerful method that many people completely overlook is simply creating an account and letting the offers come to you. Once you're registered on Caesars Sportsbook, you become eligible for personalised promotions. These are offers that are sent directly to you based on your activity and engagement. You might receive them through email, push notifications, or inside the app itself. And in many cases, these promotions are more valuable than anything you'll find publicly. For example, you might get reload bonuses that match your next deposit, free bets that don't require a new sign-up, or even special incentives designed to keep you active on the platform. The key here is consistency. Check your account regularly, keep your notifications turned on, and pay attention to the messages you receive. Caesars tends to reward users who stay engaged, so the more active you are, the better your chances of getting high-value offers. You should also pay attention to timing, especially when it comes to major sporting events. Promotions tend to increase during big moments like playoffs, finals, or major tournaments. During these periods, Caesars often releases limited-time offers that can include boosted odds, extra free bets, or unique promotions tied to specific games. These deals can be extremely valuable, but they usually don't last long. That's why it's important to stay updated and act quickly when you see a good opportunity. Now, even if you follow all these steps, there are still some common mistakes that can prevent you from actually benefiting from promo codes. One of the biggest mistakes is relying on outdated or invalid codes. This usually happens when you trust random sources without verifying the information. Another common issue is not reading the terms and conditions. Every promotion has rules, and if you don't understand them, you might end up disappointed. For instance, you might claim a bonus thinking you can withdraw it immediately, only to realise there are wagering requirements that need to be met first. Or you might use a free bet without realising that the stake isn't returned if you win. These details can make a big difference in how valuable a promotion actually is. Taking a few extra seconds to read the terms can save you a lot of frustration later. Another mistake is trying to stack multiple promo codes. Most sportsbooks, including Caesars, only allow one welcome offer per account. So instead of trying to combine different codes, it's better to focus on choosing the single best offer available at the time. This approach is much more effective and ensures that you're getting the maximum benefit. Now here's the part that most people overlook, and this is where you can really gain an advantage. Sometimes the best promo isn't a code at all, it's a special sign-up link. These links automatically apply the best available offer to your account without requiring you to enter anything manually. In many cases, these offers are not only easier to claim, but also more valuable than standard promo codes. This is because companies like Caesars often use these links for partnerships, campaigns, or targeted promotions. So instead of focusing only on codes, it's smarter to look for verified sign-up links from reliable sources. This small shift in approach can make a big difference in the quality of the offers you receive. At this point, you can see that finding a working Caesars Sportsbook promo code isn't about luck. It's about understanding how the system works and knowing where to look. When you combine the official website, trusted partners, personalized offers, and event-based promotions, you create multiple opportunities to get the best deals available. But there's one more thing that can take this even further, and that's how you actually use these bonuses once you get them. A lot of people claim offers but don't use them strategically. For example, using a free bet on a low odds outcome might not give you the best return. On the other hand, using it wisely can maximize the value you get from that promotion. The same goes for deposit matches and risk-free bets. Understanding how to use them properly can make a significant difference over time. So instead of just chasing promo codes, think about the bigger picture. Focus on finding the best offers, understanding the terms, and using them in a smart way. That's how you turn these promotions into real value instead of just small, temporary benefits. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to find and use Caesars Sportsbook promo codes effectively. It's not complicated once you know what to look for, and it definitely gets easier with experience. The more you do it, the better you'll become at spotting valuable offers and avoiding the ones that aren't worth your time. If this helped you, then you're already ahead of most people, and if you want to go even further, there's a lot more you can learn about maximizing these offers and avoiding the common mistakes that cost people money. Because once you understand how to use these bonuses the right way, it completely changes the game.